Hello everyone, welcome to Simplified Aesthetics. I am a professional esthetician and cosmetologist. Today, I'm about to reveal the only 5 strategies you will ever need to get flawless skin, and you are probably ignoring number 3 right now. So subscribe my channel, not to miss latest updates. Strategy number 1. Consistent and intelligent sun protection. Your first and most crucial strategy is consistent and intelligent sun protection. Sun damage is cumulative and irreversible, making this your primary defense against premature aging and hyperpigmentation. UVA rays age the skin by breaking down collagen, while UVB rays burn and damage skin cell DNA. Your protocol must start with a broad-spectrum sunscreen, with SPF 50 being the new daily gold standard. Apply half a teaspoon to your face and neck, and reapply every 2 hours when outdoors. Modern formulations cater to all skin types: lightweight gels for oily skin, hydrating creams for dry skin, and gentle mineral options for sensitive skin. Finally, complement your sunscreen with protective clothing, hats, and sunglasses for a complete shield. Strategy number 2. The Master Cleanser, a double cleansing approach. Think of cleansing as the essential foundation of your entire skincare routine. If this step is done incorrectly, it can sabotage the effectiveness of every serum and moisturizer that follows. The core goal of cleansing is to thoroughly remove the day's buildup, including sunscreen, makeup, environmental pollutants, and excess oil, but to do so without stripping your skin's vital natural lipids. These lipids are the key components of your skin barrier, and protecting them is paramount for healthy, resilient skin. The modern, gold standard methodology for cleansing is the double cleanse, which is absolutely essential for your evening routine. This 2-step process ensures a deep yet gentle clean. The first cleanse is an oil-based step. Using a cleansing balm, oil, or micellar water, this initial phase is specifically designed to dissolve and lift away all oil-based impurities. This includes stubborn sunscreen, long-wear makeup, and the sebum naturally produced by your skin. The second cleanse is a water-based step. Here, you use a gentle, pH-balanced foaming gel or cream cleanser. This step washes away any leftover residue from the first cleanse and effectively removes water-based dirt and sweat, leaving the skin perfectly clean and prepared for subsequent treatments. Selecting the right cleanser is highly dependent on your unique skin type. For those with dry or sensitive skin, look for cream or lotion cleansers that are non-foaming and super gentle to avoid any further dryness or irritation. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, gel or foaming cleansers can be beneficial. Formulas that contain ingredients like salicylic acid or niacinamide can help to manage oil and breakouts. For combination skin, the best choice is often a balanced, gentle foaming cleanser that effectively cleanses without overdrying any areas of your skin. Finally, your morning cleanse is much simpler. For most skin types, simply splashing your face with lukewarm water is sufficient to refresh the skin without disrupting its natural balance. Only those with exceptionally oily skin may find a need for a gentle cleanser in the morning. Strategy number 3. The hydration multiplier. It's vital to know that hydration and moisture are different. Hydration is the water within your skin cells. Moisture is the oil-based layer that seals that water in. A weak skin barrier loses water quickly, causing dullness, tightness, and sensitivity. First are humectants, the water magnets. They pull moisture into the skin's surface. Apply them to damp skin for maximum effect. The superstar is hyaluronic acid, which can hold 1,000 times its weight in water. You can use the ordinary hyaluronic acid. Glycerin is a classic and reliable choice, while snail mucin offers both hydration and skin repair. You can use Aveeno Com Plus Restore Oat Gel Moisturizer. Second are emollients, the smoothing fillers. They soften the skin and fill the gaps between skin cells. You can use CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. This creates a smooth, supple surface. Key examples include squalane, ceramides, niacinamide, and jojoba oil. Third are occlusives, the protective seal. They form a physical barrier on top of the skin to prevent water loss. This is essential for very dry skin and ideal for nighttime use. Look for ingredients like shea butter, lanolin, heavy creams, or petroleum jelly like Vaseline. Finally, personalize your moisturizer. Choose a day cream that combines these elements and works well under sunscreen. Your night cream can be a richer, more reparative formula to intensively nourish your skin while you sleep. Strategy number 4. Strategic and gentle exfoliation. Strategy 4 is activating your skin's cellular renewal engine through exfoliation. This is essential for combating dullness, texture, and clogged pores by accelerating the natural shedding of dead skin cells. The science is simple: as we age, cell turnover slows. Dead cells build up on the surface, creating a dull, rough layer that blocks your other skincare products from working effectively. In smart exfoliation means understanding your options. Chemical exfoliants are the preferred method. They use acids to dissolve the bonds between dead cells, clearing the way for a brighter complexion. There are 3 key types. AHAs, like glycolic acid, target surface level dryness and dullness. BHAs, primarily salicylic acid, are oil-soluble and excel at penetrating and deep cleaning pores, making them ideal for oily and acne-prone skin. For sensitive skin, PHAs offer a gentler exfoliation without the irritation. The golden rule is always, less is more. Start by exfoliating only once a week. You may gradually increase to twice a week only if your skin shows no signs of redness or irritation. Over-exfoliating will damage your skin barrier. Finally, this is non-negotiable: exfoliation makes your skin more sensitive to the sun. Diligent daily use of a broad-spectrum sunscreen is absolutely mandatory to protect your newly revealed skin and maintain your results. Strategy number 5. Lifestyle and nutritional foundations. True skin health starts from within. Your skin is a direct reflection of your internal well-being, and no topical product can override a poor lifestyle. Chronic inflammation, oxidative stress, and hormonal imbalances caused by lifestyle choices will manifest on your skin as breakouts, dullness, and accelerated aging. Focus on an anti-inflammatory diet. Eat a colorful variety of antioxidant-rich foods like berries, leafy greens, and nuts. Include fatty fish for omega-3s to fight free radical damage. Support your body's natural collagen production by ensuring you get enough vitamin C from citrus and bell peppers, and zinc and copper from nuts and seeds. Prioritize consistent hydration by drinking water throughout the day. Herbal teas and water-rich foods like cucumber and watermelon also contribute. Quality sleep is non-negotiable. During deep sleep, your body repairs itself, increasing blood flow to the skin and boosting collagen production. Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night. Manage stress actively. Chronic stress elevates cortisol, a hormone that breaks down collagen and worsens inflammation. Incorporate practices like meditation, walking, or yoga. Eliminate direct saboteurs. Smoking severely reduces skin blood flow, depriving it of oxygen and nutrients. Limit alcohol, as it is dehydrating and inflammatory. Your flawless skin is a journey, not a destination. Stay consistent, be patient with your skin, and the results will follow. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe my channel, not to miss latest updates.